Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix out of memory Chrome error. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, type sysdm.cpl. Control panel item, simply click on that. Then here in the system properties window, you have the computer name tab, hardware tab, advanced tab, system protection tab, remote tab. Click on the advanced tab. Then here you'll find performance, visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. Click on settings. Then here you need to simply click this button for the performance options. Just simply click on the advanced tab. So you have the visual effects and the advanced. Go to advanced. You'll find here virtual memory. Click on the change button. Then here you'll find this box, automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Make sure to uncheck this box or uncheck this box. Then click on the custom size. Then we are going to put here or input in the initial size in MB 1024 because 1024 because the 1 gigabyte is almost 1 gigabyte is equal to 1000 MB. So we can just simply type here 1024. So you also find here the minimum allowance 16 MB, and we are more than what is minimum allowed, and what is recommended is 1875 MB, and we are a little less than what is recommended. So it is a very good thing to put here the initial size, the maximum size to 1024 MB. Then you just have to simply click on OK. Then you have to click on apply, click on OK, and I suggest that you just need to restart your Windows. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.